Our ZMatik tabletop sheeter is the perfect solution for baking operations with limited space. With a durable, compact, easy-to-clean design and user-friendly operation, it's easy to understand why bakers and pastry chefs love this sheeter. This sheeter is easy to use. Simply add your dough to the work belt to begin processing. Features include the ability to adjust dough thickness via an ergonomic handle and corresponding digital display. A flour bin is located just above the display for easy dusting, and lamination controlled via 2 levers that move the belt from left to right. When finished, the included rolling pins and mounts make it easy to roll up the dough for transport back to the work area. Safety guards protect both sides of the conveyor belt pass-through area. The main work area also includes an emergency stop. This unit is also easy to clean, with removable dough scrapers and wipe-down-ready, food-safe plastic work belts. When not in use, both sides of the work table can be folded and locked into an upright position for compact storage. This sheeter runs on standard 120-volt power with a belt width of approximately 20 inches and working dimensions of approximately 72 inches by 38.5 inches. For more information and pricing, contact our sales team at erikarecord.com.